All right, my kids are often the most willing to eat when they're in a snacky mood. Snacks are easy to put together and perfect on the go to pack in lunches. Let's make a few of our favorites. What do you think, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. So my little boy is here with his friend. We're gonna dive in and make some super simple snacks. And really it's about getting the kids involved in this process as well. And these are something that can go with you to the park, go with you to on the go when you're traveling. And they're just great to have, okay? So we're gonna make a couple sweet and savory ones. Who likes edamame?
Me!
Okay, perfect. Let's try some edamame. So what I have here is I have some edamame that I've basically boiled in water, cooled them down, okay, rinsed them under cold water. Then you strain them and you add some flake salt. They're such a good little snack. You guys wanna try some?
Uh-huh.
Try some edamame, okay? All right, another quick, amazing snack is popcorn, of course. We love popcorn. I like to add a little bit of olive oil or flax oil to it. Helps the additional spices stick to it. I'm gonna add some nutritional yeast, which is amazing. High in B vitamins, also delicious on popcorn. A little bit of onion granules and some salt. Does that sound good? You guys enjoying your snacks? Who wants to try some seasoned popcorn?
Me!
Who else?
Me!
Who else?
Me!
All right, ready? Let me give you guys some to try. Here you go. Would you like to try some, buddy? Okay, there you go. All right. This is great to have seasoned. Sometimes I'll even put this in a large Ziploc bag, dump all the spices in there, shake it up, and it's good to go as well. So. All right, we're gonna make these power balls, these energy balls. Great source of protein and healthy fats. So I have a food processor, any kind of nut or seed work here. I'm gonna start off by blending this up. Ready, guys? It's gonna be a little loud, okay? Ready? We're gonna blend this up to a fine meal. All right, so look at this, turned into a nice meal, okay? What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna go ahead and add a number of different ingredients, and then I'm gonna drop in sweetener so it actually binds really well. So let's add a couple things. What do you think, kids? Gonna add a couple things. Let's do some almond butter, a little bit of cinnamon. Yes. You love cinnamon, huh, buddy? How about some chocolate powder? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. How about chocolate chips? What do you think? You guys want a couple? Here. So good. Here, let's add a little bit of chocolate chips in there. All right, pinch of salt in these because they're so good. Makes them even more slightly addicting. A little bit of vanilla. All right, let's blend this one up. All right, so now that is blended up, now we're gonna blend and start adding the dates slowly. Do you guys like dates? Would you like to try them? They're a dried fruit, they're really good. All right, if you're using a little bit of cacao powder or unsweetened cocoa, you can add a little more sweetener if you wish. My go-to sweetener is maple, so I'm gonna add a touch of maple syrup. All right, so I'm choosing to use dates because I love using these whole food sweeteners as much as I can. Dried fruit are just so great to start to include into your desserts, and there are lots of good fiber in there. All right, so check this out. This look good? Hey, what do you think, buddy?
Thanks.
All right, so let's add a couple yummy things. We're gonna add some oats. Oats help them bind quite a bit. All right. All right, so you guys wanna help me roll these?
Uh-huh.
Who wants to help me roll them?
Me!
Me! Okay, let's get you a bowl and you're gonna help me roll them. Does that sound fun?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna add a little bit more oats in there. You can always pulse up these oats, but it's fine just to roll them up. Let's actually add a little bit to a bowl so you guys can help me. What do you think? Okay, can I show you how to do this? All right, so we're gonna add some coconut. Does that sound good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, ready? You wanna try this?
Yes.
Okay, so put this in a little ball and roll it like this. And after you roll it, you drop it in there. Can you roll it like Play-Doh? It's kind of like Play-Doh, isn't it? So roll them up. Roll them up. Okay, then put them in there. You want me to help? Are you doing it?
Yeah, I'm doing it by myself. You show me how to do it.
I did show you how to do. Do you want me to? Oh, did it break? Uh-oh. Let me see yours.
Help me.
That looks pretty awesome. Look, you squeeze it and then you roll it and then it's done. Now drop it in there.
And I squeeze it.
You squeezing it? Okay, let's roll up a few of these.
And how does this part work?
That looks amazing. Now you can drop it in there. Okay. You know what? We could top it with coconut. You can also roll it in cocoa, which sounds really yummy too, huh? Does that sound good too? Look at those, see? You can roll those, cover them in coconut. All right, another one. Hey, check this out, you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we can also put them in there and we can roll them in cocoa, like little chocolate truffles. That sound good? Hey, you're doing a good job. Doing a good job, thank you. Watch, check it out. All right, we're just gonna roll up a few more of these. When you have these on hand, I mean, they're just packed with nutrition, lots of protein, lots of healthy fats. Great for their little bodies, great for their little brains. Brain development. All right. What do you think? Is it good? Should we try one of them? You guys wanna try the ones in coconut, or do you wanna try the ones in chocolate?
And chocolate.
Reach in and grab one. Okay, try it. Take a bite. What do you think? What do you think?
Good.
Pretty good. Yeah. All right, I just took these out of the oven. These are so good. This is another snack my kids love. All this is roasted chickpeas. What I've done here is I strain the chickpeas, obviously. You spray down a pan, and then you toss them with whatever savory spices you enjoy. These have a little bit of paprika, little onion granules, little garlic granules, some sea salt. You put them in at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes, and they get super crispy, absolutely delicious. Such a great snack. Throw them in with popcorn, throw them in with different kinds of toasted nuts and seeds, and it's a great power-packed protein snack as well. So we're gonna set these aside and make one more snack pack and wrap up this class. All right, added some salty pretzels. Really nice to add that salt component. I have just some chopped up little cookies. I have some freeze-dried fruits, which are so nice. I have whatever leftover granola I have in my pantry. And of course,
Pantry.
I'm gonna add baby marshmallows to this. You crack me up, bud.
Baby marshmallow.
Uh-huh, look at how good that looks. Okay, so I'm gonna make these snack packs. These little reusable bags, they're fantastic to have for snacks on the go. I'm gonna fill these up. So good. I mean, talk about kids keeping busy in the back of a car for a long trip or on the go. This is a perfect little snack. You're doing a good job. Hey, you guys are great at rolling things. All right, look at these great snack packs. What do you guys think? You wanna take these to go? You wanna take these with you? Does that sound good? Look at that. You both have a snack pack. Who's the best little helpers ever? Who's the best little helpers? Give me 5. Who's the best little helper? Who's the best little helper? Thumbs up if you like making snacks. Thumbs up if you like making snacks. Thumbs up. Awesome. Thank you guys for joining us. Excellent little snack class. Lots of little additions to add to your repertoire when it comes to packing lunches and meals on the go.